You get the
Danny in here is probably the most un-Danny-like that I've seen. It may be more realistic coming from him, but the entire play is so surreal throughout that it just doesn't seem like him. There's something off about it. He speaks about things.
Well, I mean, it is, in a sense, Danny through. I mean, everything is viewed in a sense, even though it's not literally viewed through Terry's eyes. Terry is the protagonist or the antagonist, if you will. Everything is going through Terry. I mean, he goes through these scenes here. We see him with his father. His father says, "Get the fuck out of the room." So once he's expelled, I mean, it starts with him running in circles around this train car. You know, and then it ends with and the same thing with the Fellini-like dance of the characters, sort of like at the end of 8 1/2.
Is that reminiscent of another Kubrick film, Eyes Wide Shut, in that every bit of reality in this has to be questioned?
Yeah.
Even certain realistic scenes.
Yeah, and that's a good thing. And you know, he meets these A, B, and C and D characters. Then he meets the bellboy, and they talk. Sometimes they talk obscure and what. Another thing that in the back of my mind, in the 1970s, the Doctor Who, played by Tom Baker, often had these episodes that were very surreal. And Tom Baker was a great actor, the best of the Doctors of all time, in my opinion. But you know, he gets to these rooms, and all of these rooms are room 13-something. And you know, in America at least, most hotels don't have a 13th floor. They go from the 12th to the 14th floor. I don't know if you knew that.
No.
Yeah, because of superstition. Probably 3/4 of hotels that go above 13 floors don't have a 13th floor. So if they have 20 floors, the 20th floor will be floor 21. The 19th will be 20th, and so on. And the 12th floor will be 12th, but the 13th floor will be called the 14th floor, because 13 triskaidekaphobia. So that's why everything takes place on the 13th floor. There was that film, I don't know if you remember, in the late 90s, there was a film called The 13th Floor, which was just about that, about how hotels, and you know, and that's a surreal science fiction film. So that's why everything is set on the 13th floor.